Hi, I'm Bob with CarCovers.com, and I wanted to talk to you for a few minutes about our cable lock anti-theft system that we include with both the Platinum Shield and Ultimate Shield car covers. They're included in the box. They come in a bag. When you pull it out, you'll see the cable system here. I don't want to put that on the car. Comes with a little lock and key, the antenna patch, and also something that a lot of people call us and ask us about, which is this very fancy white piece of rope. People call in and say, what the heck is the rope for? Well, we actually provide that as a convenience for you so that when you remove your cover, you can roll it up tight like a sleeping bag, wrap a couple of times with the cord, cinch it up nice and tight, make it easier to fit into the bag when you're all done. Or you can give it to your kid to skip rope with, or maybe set a snare, catch a wild animal. I don't know, whatever you want. It's free, it's yours. You can use it however you want, doesn't really matter. It's there though. All right, so let's talk about how you put your security system on. Oh, I do want to emphasize the fact that this is an anti-theft device, okay? It's not for protecting or keeping your car covered from the wind or gusty rain or whatever. If you want that, you need to call and ask for our Gust Strap Wind Protector Kit instead. This is for security. Keep your neighbors honest so they don't come over and borrow your cable or your car cover one night, right? So unfurl the cable, look for the end without the loop, come over to the middle of your car, and you'll see the reinforced grommet here. If you turn the cable or the cover over, you'll see there's a pocket here, okay? Take and stick the cable through and come up through the pocket like this. Take the other end with the loop, pull it up through here, so you've got a nice loop, and then toss the other end over. Now, one of our sales reps gave a great idea how to get that over there. Take your lock, put it on the end, leave the key in it. That weights the cable so you can toss it to the other side. Let's go over and finish hooking this thing up. And there it is. Oh, it worked great. Pull it through, unlock your padlock. Do the same thing. Unfurl the car cover, look for the pocket here. Don't poke through both sides. You don't need to poke a hole. Come up through that inside pocket, through your reinforced grommet, grab your padlock, go through the steel piece at the end, and then take your lock and grab a part of the cable with it and snap it shut. That way you have a loop on this end and a loop on the other end. That will help secure it and put your keys where you won't lose it. If you need any help or you have trouble or you have any questions, please feel free to call us at CarCovers.com.